And then after a few years of our working together, Matterport came along. And again, you were the leader in the market offering Matterport. You really believed in it. Can you just expand on that?
That's right. You know, we saw Matterport starting to evolve, and we knew right away that this is an edge that we wanted to give our agents and we wanted to give our seller clients, and also for the buyers out there. We knew that many buyers were actually pre-qualifying their purchase on the internet as opposed to the in-person. And having the Matterport was a huge advantage to both seller and buyer and our agents, so that you could get a sophisticated look at the property without actually being there.
Yeah, and they probably don't have to, the potential buyer doesn't have to bother the sellers every time they want to remember something or look at something. They can just review their Matterport scans.
Right. I mean, we were pre-pandemic heavily involved, but when the pandemic hit, that only made it more important to have a product like Matterport for both sellers and buyers, so that they could really take a good look at the property before they have to be there in person.